Wells Fargo Home Mortgage Honest Review. Watch before using. You won't believe how much your mortgage choice can affect your financial life over the next 30 years. And that's why choosing the right lender matters more than most people realize. Wells Fargo Home Mortgage is one of the largest mortgage lenders in the United States. It offers home loans for buying, refinancing, and building homes. Here's what most people get wrong. They think the interest rate is the only thing that matters. In reality, loan terms, fees, and service quality also make a huge difference. Wells Fargo offers fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages, government-backed loans, and jumbo loans for higher-priced homes. Borrowers can apply online and track their loan progress digitally. One advantage is availability. Wells Fargo has a wide national presence and many loan options. However, the surprising truth is that service experiences can vary by branch and loan officer. Wells Fargo Home Mortgage is best for borrowers who want a well-known lender with many loan programs. The surprising truth is that the right mortgage decision can save tens of thousands of dollars over time. If you are planning to buy or refinance, Wells Fargo is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more home buying tips and mortgage reviews.